Hi, so this is the video and I just want to show you like kind of what happens. So, this is the form. So your sales reps, they fill in the date. Say for example, they fill in like 28 and they fill in their name, say Avi, and let's fill in all these details and I'll put in some notes. So for example, I'll put in uh, like submit. So once this response is submitted, what happens is on the spreadsheet, this is the spreadsheet linked to the form. So I'll just refresh. So what happens is this row appears over here, right? It was submitted at this time and submission date was marked this, and these are the details. This is the detailed notes, right? And like you will not be looking at this spreadsheet. This is like the master spreadsheet. What you'll be looking at this one, the each of them have their own thing, and if this spreadsheet is not there, so for example I'll submit another one, and just to show you, I'll put 28 and then I'll put Eric Mendez, and I'll just fill in the rest of the information and just hit submit. Right, so you can see that this sheet was created and a new thing is added over here, right? So this spreadsheet is created automatically if it does not exist. If it exists, then it will just add it down here, right? And this is the spreadsheet, and also you wanted this status column, so it is like if this is new, it is colored that way. If it is in progress, it is colored that way, and if it is in handle, it is colored that way, right? So and this happens in all the spreadsheets automatically. So uh, the row changes its color based on that thing. Now let me also show you the task and everything. So I'll go to extensions app script, and this is how you can access this script. What I've done is to make it easy for you, I've put anything you want to change over here, right? So this is the email that it sends to, and I'll show you. I'm using my account to send the email, so right now it is sending the email from my account. And I just want to show you that. Oh, right now I have commented that part. Yeah, okay. So I just want to show you that it will send an email over here now, and the email subject will be this. And this is the tasks list, like send email column on, right? So let me also show you the task thing. So I'll just open the calendar, and right, so these are the tasks that were previously created, so I'll just delete them to show you that the new tasks appear here. Okay, so this is the task list that will be added, and whatever you put on first, like send email, that will be added first. Okay, so that is the reason send email is on the first place. And this is the sales rep questions. I recommend that you do not change these questions, because based on these questions the processing happens. So okay, so that is the script. Now when I submit, then I want to show you that it sends an email and it also adds to the calendar. Okay, so I will submit one more, and this time I will submit Caleb, right? And I'll just use the default thing, and I'll just write Caleb. Okay, I'll just write like that. Okay, I'll click submit. So you can see that Caleb right and spreadsheet was created, and this row appears over here, and in the sent email you can see that this sent email appears over here, and it has the same subject, and it has the details that was submitted, and it also appears on the task. In the task you can see that it is under the send email label. Now if you want it, and it also contains the phone number that is there. Now if you want to add time, then you have to remove this, and then you can add the time to whatever you want. And also you might have noticed the submission date was June 28, but you asked me to add one day, so it is now June 29. And by default it is entered into sent email, but you can change uh, the things over there. Okay, so I'll cancel the changes. So discard the changes. Okay. So I hope that is what you want. So it sends an email like this, it adds to the task like this, and it is recorded in the spreadsheet like this, and it has the option to customize the color like this.